Welcome back, guys. Day 8 here on the Forester Farm Project, clearing for the shop again.
Yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a beautiful day.
Yeah,
It's going to be a
look
little
at
chilly.
that sunrise back there. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's not showing up really good in that screen, but it's there.
Yep.
It was really pinkish red just a little while ago.
Yeah, it was intense. It's going to be hopefully a beautiful day. Right now the ground's frozen, which is good for working on top of, but today is not so much clearing, today's grading. So
Yeah.
let's see how it grades when it's frozen.
Yeah, we got a lot of considerations here. Things are going to start getting a little more technical,
Yeah.
I think, now as we move on with this project, because getting into where you want to grade and build and whatnot, there's details. It's not just knocking down trees and moving dirt, which we've done a lot of.
That's the fun stuff.
Yeah, it is. It's a lot of work, though.
Oh yeah, but yeah, we're going to do a few little housekeeping things that are left over from previous night, and then we're going to get to rocking and rolling,
Yep.
get to grading. Dad's going to be running in the skid steer playing, and I'm going to be grabbing all the roots that he keeps pulling up.
Yep.
I'm going to be working my butt off.
Yep. I'm sporting my new hairdo today.
Yeah. Yep. All right, let's get to it, guys.
Let's do it. All right, guys, it probably doesn't show up well in the video. Slopes don't always show up well, but we got a pretty good slope from there going downhill this way. We want to set our shop in here flat. So we got to think about what's the important things here when we grade this thing. And obviously we want a flat spot for the building, but more than that, we got to make sure that water isn't running into the building. So we want to dig out enough for the building and slope down away from the building, and then we're going to have to work that hillside. We don't want any embankments. We don't want to put any retaining walls. So we got to kind of work this thing into the landscape that's here. And as far as landscaping, we don't want mulch beds or anything. We're going to have enough going on this farm. We don't want to be over here picking weeds out of a mulch bed. So we want to make it where we can mow everything. Nothing but grass out here. We'll plant a couple trees probably a year or two down the road when we see where the sun's hitting the building at the hottest part of the summer. Plant them strategically so that it helps keep things cooler. Other than that, we just got to move some dirt. Let's get to it.
I'm beat. Dad's all fancy over here in a t-shirt, and I'm wearing a pullover still because he's been working his butt off cleaning up brush. And
Yeah, it's only about like 40 or so. 40
yeah,
something,
but I've been riding in that skid steer, and it's cold in there.
but like last night, I thought I was warm working, and we get going, and I don't think about the cold. And then when I got in the house, I was freezing.
Yeah.
My whole body was cold inside, but you don't think about it when you're working.
No, out in this cold all day long, you just kind of get used to it, and you get cold to the bone and don't realize it.
Yep.
But
Brian did a phenomenal job digging out for this garage shop.
It's gonna be nice. Yeah. It's not perfect. We got close, but we don't. I'm grading muck and mud, so you can't make that perfect. So what we're doing is getting it close. We're within about, I think, 8 or 9 inches what we want final grade to be. So we'll either rent a skid steer again or use our tractor with a box blade and the Piranha tooth bar and just whittle away at it.
Yeah, we could just leave it where it's at and just one side would be a little bit low and take a little extra concrete.
Yeah.
But I don't really want to spend that money, so we're probably just going to dig.
We'll whittle away at it and get it down where it needs to be, but we got to take topsoil off where the driveway is going to be as well and see what the final area there is going to look like. So
yeah,
it's really coming together though. It's going to be nice.
And everything we've done in here on these slopes, it's just 1 foot and 30 foot roughly, but everything we've done, we're like, we can't fit that in there. It's not going to work. We're going to have to do something different. And then we always say, well, let's move what we can, go in the direction we want it to be, and then let's see what it looks like. And every time it's worked out.
Yeah.
There's so much, it's like, it deceives you, you know, that if you got a hill sloping this way and then you're digging out into it and you got this sawtooth, it makes it look like I told Brian, I said, man, you're way low. You're several inches low. He said, no, I'm not. It's perfect. So I got over there and got the transit, and he was a couple inches high.
Yeah.
But it looks low because of that angle, and it'll mess with your head.
Yeah.
So you got to get in here and move some dirt and then see what's going on.
It really changes things when you start moving dirt, and especially where trees have been for years. You've got all that fluff that builds up at the base of the tree. That really throw your eye off on what you think grade is.
Yeah, these big loblollies, we cut one, it was like 60-something rings on it.
Yeah.
They say they don't live that long. Well, obviously they do.
Yeah.
Anyway, they'll have a mound of dirt around them, 6-8 feet around, and it's sloping upward, and it makes you think that you got a couple feet more soil. When you get that stump out of there and all that dirt's gone, all of a sudden it's a big hole.
Yeah.
It'll throw you off.
Oh yeah, but it's really coming together. I'm really hungry.
Papa John's.
We're gonna call it a day and get some Papa John's. Oh, that's one thing I was gonna tell you guys. All this work we've been doing out here, and I've had a lot of solo days out here where Dad's watching Xander and I've been running the mini digging up trees.
I'm the babysitter.
Yeah. Man, I tell you, I've been working my butt off out here, and I'm eating out once, if not twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day, depending on the length of the day.
He's fat.
I have put on an easy 10 to 12 pounds, and I'm not happy with it, but it's, you know, it's what happens when you're out here working hard. You got to eat high energy foods and lots of food to keep your energy levels up. I can't eat a salad and come out here and work. It just doesn't work. I've tried it, and then I go to Chick-fil-A because that salad wasn't enough.
Yeah, so, well, the problem is you go home and you get peanuts and chocolate chips and sit there and eat a whole bowl full of them.
So good.
Constantly. And he's like, don't ever let me buy these things again. Don't ever let me eat them again. Keep me away from them. Please help me. And then if I say anything, well, I'm hungry. Same old, same old.
That's the way it goes.
Yeah. Are we rambling?
A little bit. Yeah.
We're hungry and we're tired.
That's exactly right. Hope you guys are enjoying this series. We can't wait to get this shop going, just like these houses. It's coming along. We're gonna make it nice out here. Trust us, it's gonna look good.
Yeah, and this shop, we should have done the first thing.
Yes.
We should have got the driveway in here and built the shop and then cleared for the house and all that, but we didn't. But the thing is, here we are, house foundation sitting there.
Yep.
Why are we on the shop? Because we got a phenomenal deal on this equipment, and we're like, we got to get that stuff and do it. We saved a bunch of money.
And it'll give us somewhere safe and mud-free to store our material for our houses. That's huge.
Yeah.
So.
And the way lumber prices and materials are right now, people get sticky fingers.
Yeah.
And this is out here by itself. We can't stay here all night. We could, but it's going to be cold.
Yeah, I don't want to stay here when it's cold.
No. At least if it's in the building.
We're rambling again.
Are we?
Yes, we are.
Let's go.
We hope you guys are enjoying the series. If you are, give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button below. Bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications of posting new videos. Yeah, I kind of rambled there. My lips are kind of cold.
Papa John's.
Yeah.
See you later.
Have a good one, guys. We'll see you.